In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Yahoo Mail filter. Whether you're trying to organize your inbox, keep certain emails separate, or just streamline your email experience, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to the Yahoo Mail sign-in page. Open your preferred web browser and simply type in the URL or search for Yahoo Mail to reach the sign-in screen. Once you're there, you'll see a space prompting you to enter your username. It's best to ensure your credentials are correct since this will avoid any delays later. After typing in your username, find and click the next button. This will take you to the password entry page. Make sure to input your password carefully to prevent any login errors. Once again, you'll need to click on the next button to proceed to your Yahoo Mail inbox. Once you're logged in, your goal will be to access the settings where you can manage your filters. Look for the settings option, usually represented by a gear icon, somewhere in the upper right part of the page. Click on that to open your mail settings. In the settings menu, you'll see an option labeled More Settings. This is where you want to head next. Click on it and a new menu will appear on the left side of the screen. Here you will find various options to customize your Yahoo Mail experience. You're going to be particularly interested in the Filters option. Go ahead and click on Filters. Once the Filters page is open, locate and click on Add New Filter. This is where you can start creating a filter that suits your needs. The first thing you'll want to do is give your filter a name. Make it descriptive enough so you easily recognize its purpose later on. Now it's time to set the criteria for your filter. You will need to define the conditions that will trigger this filter. This can be based on the sender's email address, specific keywords in the subject line, or even particular content within the email body. Spend some time thinking about what kind of emails you want to filter and set your criteria accordingly. Next, choose the destination folder where you want these filtered emails to go. Yahoo Mail allows you to route specific emails into particular folders, helping you manage your inbox more effectively. Once you've decided on the destination folder, ensure all the details align with your plan. Finally, after inputting all the necessary information, don't forget to save the filter. Click Save, which will store the filter and begin applying it to incoming emails. Congratulations, you've just set up a Yahoo Mail filter that will help keep your inbox organized and efficient. I hope this guide has been helpful. By following these steps, you can keep your emails tidy and focused on what matters most to you. Feel free to revisit these instructions at any time, and happy emailing.